Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, I am Bagas Dwi Kurniawan from class 12 Network Computer Engineering. I would like to present a report of industrial practice. Gratitude for the presence of God Almighty, for His grace and mercy, I can complete the substitute industry job training activity report. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to first Principal of SMKN Tuwonosari Ahmad Darmadi, Bachelor of Education, Magister Engineering. 2. Head of Study Program Informatic Engineering, Dr. Andes Wasno, Bachelor of Applied Science. 3. The Working Group Supervisor, Vera Zulkarnain, Bachelor of Education. 4. Parents who always support. Last, everyone who has helped. The compositing of this report has been made as well as possible, but of course there are still many shortcomings. Therefore, if there is any criticism or suggestion of a constructive nature, we are very grateful. Hopefully, this report can be useful for all parts. Table of contents for this presentation. Chapter 1 Preliminary. Industrial work practice is a training and learning that is carried on in the business world or the industrial world that is relevant to the skill competence found in vocational high school. Is an effort to improve the quality of school and also add provision for the future to enter a tight world of work in competition like today. In addition, with the rapid development of science and technology, many new equipment has been created to support the large demand for goods of service production thus lead to fundamental change in getting a job. So that workers are required not only to have technical ability, but also to more flexible, in the sense of being both creative and innovative and support by competent skill. Therefore, with the internship activity student can hone and also implement the material learned in school directly into the industrial world. Activity objective. Students are able to apply theories or practice that have been studied so far. Students are able to produce work in the form of product. Students are able to manage time or schedule activity as well as possible. Students are able to apply discipline and sense of responsibility. Students are able to analyze the activity carried out and the system running in the field. Place and time activity. Most of the day's activity are carried out at the home of each group member and also at school, either through online discussion or in the person group work. The school has determined the implementation time for this project work activity, which is for 3 months with lasts from 1 July to 30 September 2020. In this case, according to the group agreement, that the activity will be focused on weekdays, while for weekend it uses for break, or it can also be used to maximize the project if the schedule is not effective. Chapter 2 Execution Process. Activity is making Arduino project electronic device control. This is the schematic diagram. Materials and equipment. 1. Arduino Uno R3 Atmega 328P. 2. Bluetooth HC05 module. 3. Module relay to channel. 4. 830 point breadboard. 5. Couple and jumper couple. 6. Wall socket or switch. 7. Software Arduino Uno IDE and Arduino Bluetooth controller. Work steps 1. Prepare the equipment to be used. 2. Connect the module with Arduino using a jumper cable. Assembling 3. Enter the coding script program. 4. Install Arduino Bluetooth controller application on Android. 5. Testing. Result and benefit. This is the picture for a result. Lights and fans turn on when the button on your application turns on. By completing this Arduino project, I learned that Arduino can make it easier for people to control electronic equipment. Chapter 3 Closing Conclusion. It can be concluded that the project I created is going well, even though in the process I often encounter obstacles, both internally and externally. I can I can overcome this until the project is finished. This activity taught me a sense of discipline and responsibility. Suggestion. If there are still activities like this as a substitute for the industry job training activity, we hope that in the future the participants will be prepared themselves well by equipping themselves with mastery of learning materials both through school and other media. Then, for the school, it can provide guidance before students carry out a segment so that the results are effective and efficient. Thank you for your attention. Bye.